Hi there, this is Jonathan Ginsberg. I'm a Social Security disability attorney. And today I'd like to ask you a question, ask for your feedback. What is your most important question about Social Security disability? I've done a lot of videos. I think we're close to 300 videos, and I'm discussing topics that I think are relevant to Social Security, but we've kind of built a nice community here where people are leaving comments, they're communicating with one another, with me. I try to respond to every comment, and we get a lot of people that also respond to the comments, which is great. But I want to know, what questions do you have? What would you like me to talk about? What is the most important question you have about Social Security disability? Is it about applying for benefits, the standards for applying for benefits, or filing the paperwork for reconsideration? What do you put on the forms? Is it about hearings? How do you prepare for a hearing? What do you say at a hearing? What can go wrong in a hearing? What should you do about a judge who's unfair? What do you do about the vocational witnesses? That sort of thing. Is it about post-hearing? How long is it going to take? What happens if you get an unfavorable decision? What happens if you get an unfavorable, should you reapply or should you appeal? What happens at the appeals council or district court? And then what about post-benefit award continuing reviews? Questions about what prompts a review, what information you're going to need to contest that. What are the odds that you're going to get reviewed and terminated? What happens if you appeal a termination? How do you appeal a termination? So you see there's a lot of topics here about Social Security disability. I've tried to cover a lot of them, but I thought it was a good time, now that we're close to 300 videos, that I turn the tables and ask you, what do you want to know about Social Security disability? What are things that are bothering you, that are in your mind, that reflect what you're thinking, so that I can address those things on future videos, and we can get other people to chime in so that we can come up with some good topics that really reflect what you want to know. Again, I'm approaching this from the perspective of an attorney, things that I see at hearings, questions my clients give me, but you may have some very different, you likely do have some very different questions. I want to make sure I cover those. So please let me know, leave me a comment on either the YouTube channel here or the Facebook page. What do you want to know? What's your most important question about Social Security disability? And I will try to answer that. And if you see people who are leaving comments and you think of other things, leave another comment so we can put together a nice list of questions so that we cover as much as we can. Like I said, I think we're forming a nice community here of people that are trying to help each other, and the more information we can share, because the process is difficult, the more information we can share with each other, I can help you from basically what I know, and of course I learn from you as well. But let me know what you are thinking about Social Security, what you'd like to know about it, so I can try to answer those questions. I appreciate the input. If you do have any thoughts and you want to email me directly, I'm at ginsberg@gmail.com. Or if you'd like to visit my website, it's ssdanswers.com. You can download my Secrets to Winning Disability Survival Kit there, or ask for a case evaluation. But again, leave me comments here. Let me know what you'd like to know about Social Security disability. I really appreciate it. Thanks a lot. Hi, this is Jonathan Ginsberg, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you'd like to know more about how to win your Social Security disability case, I'd like to invite you to download my Secrets to Getting Approved Early Survival Kit that I created just for people like you. Currently, I'm making the survival kit available at no cost, and I encourage you to grab your copy now. Some of the topics I cover include: how do I know if I have a case? Is it the right time for me to file my claim? 9 common mistakes that can doom your case. The 3 must-have arguments you use to win your case. And a topic that every disability claimant wants to know: how to avoid trick questions from the judge. If you or a loved one need to win Social Security disability benefits, you'll find the Survival Kit essential reading. Download your Survival Kit right now and at no cost. Just visit ssdanswers.com/survival and sign up. It's that easy. Please act now. And as always, I wish you the best.